Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we had a 2011 Mercedes E350. This had the 3.5 liter. So basically, it just had like a bad throttle body in it. So we first started by removing the air cleaner, which is really straightforward. There is no physical screws. It's just all just tabs right into place. Once we removed that, we started to start her removing the throttle body out, and then otherwise it was pretty straightforward, but the positioning of the throttle body behind the engine actually gave a little room for air, so you actually had pay attention. And then also, it may seem like the throttle body is actually pretty up, but it's not. It's actually I would say a few inches deep. There is just a manifold on top of the throttle body. So that does give it an illusion that it'll be easy to replace, but in fact it's a little bit difficult. Uh, for this repair, we charge the customer 400, including the diagnosis, and then 350 for the used throttle body, and then the replacement. Uh, we also had a new option available for the customer as well, but that would have costed him 500. So he just went with this used option, which actually came out of a low miles vehicle. So it really didn't matter, and then this vehicle already had 225k miles on it. It still had the original engine and transmission. It was just the throttle body. And then we started getting the old one out. And then guys, we are located 30 miles east of Dallas. So if you guys have any type of vehicle that needs any type of work, including electrical, mechanical, engine transmission, and key programming, BCM programming, we can do all of that. So you can call me at 469-714-7669, call or text me. And then if you guys have any questions, how I replace the throttle body, then just leave in a comment below. I know this wasn't really detailed because I really didn't have the time, and then the camera, there was no space for me to mount the camera where I needed to be. So I could just only mount it on the windshield. So that's that is the footage I got. So we got the old one out, and then we started replacing the new one. And then after we got everything installed, we thought that we would need to do the calibration, but fortunately we didn't even have to do that. All we had to do was just drive the vehicle around for a few miles. It automatically just calibrated to the system, and then the check engine light went away. And we also buy and sell vehicles if you guys are interested. And then I also personally review vehicles too, so please do subscribe and check out further content.